In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust line length here in Canva. Now, it's all going to come down to the type of line you're trying to use, because you can't adjust the length on every line, mainly only Canva lines. So if we take a look at this top line is a Canva line. To find this, we want to come over to Elements. We can come down to Shapes just here, and then we can use any one of these lines. It's this one just here, just like that. Now, to adjust line length on these is really simple. All we have to do is click onto the line, then we want to click on the end. We can hold down and pull out, just like that, thus increasing the line length. But if you have anything other than a Canva line, let's take a look at this. This is just an element here in Canva as well. There's no way to make this longer or adjust the length. All we can do is click onto the corners and make bigger. But Canva lines are so much better anyway because you have lots of different features. If we click on there, we can adjust and change the color to anything that we want. We can also click on line style and choose from a few different styles as well. And we can also increase the line weight by playing with this bar just here. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to adjust the line length just like that here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.